How to delete your recent emojis on iPhone. Want to clear your recently used emojis on your iPhone? Apple doesn't have a direct clear recent emojis button, but you can reset them in a few easy steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Go to General. Scroll down and tap General. Step 3. Open Transfer or Reset iPhone. Scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 4. Tap Reset. Tap Reset to see more options. Step 5. Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Tap Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Step 6. Enter your passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode, then tap Reset Dictionary to confirm. That's all. Your keyboard dictionary will be reset, and your frequently used emojis will be cleared. This won't delete your photos, messages, apps, or any other personal data. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.